In primetime news this evening, a ban on ride-hailing companies hit brakes.
Parliamentary opposition raises alarm that fiscal commissioner may not have been paid in over a year.
And Court of Appeal to hear closing arguments in Vibes cartel case next week. Good evening, I'm Janella Precious and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, coming up later in the financial week, CARICOM and African business leaders reach truce.
And here with a preview of what's to come in the exciting world of sports. Well, there's never a dull moment.
Never.
Jordan Fort is here. Jordan?
Yeah, and that's a great segue, Janella, because three-time Olympic champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is set to open her 2024 season tomorrow. So there's exciting news for track and field fans on that front. And the saga continues between Ebony Drysdale Daly and the Jamaican Judo Association. More developments, the plot thickens. I'll have all of that in Primetime Sports Friday.
I love me a good plot.
Exactly. Thanks, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the Transport Minister's decision to rescind the proposed ban on ride-sharing companies?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet at televisionjam1.
And then there were three. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.